Today we are going to talk about painting by numbers. In the past I did a diamond painting, and this time I wanted to try a paint by numbers, and I loved it. I don't know if I love it more than the diamond painting. I don't know, I like them both. They're different, but both of them are like very relaxing, and I just love it. I used to paint like 2 hours a day when I have like good lighting, and yeah, I love it. And the design, it's amazing. I love it so much. But yeah, as you saw, I showed you what comes in the kit when you buy it, but now I'm going to go through it and talk a little bit more. So as always, you have a guide with the numbers of the colors that corresponds to every color, and then you will put it on the paint. So now I finished my painting, but they also send you like a map that you can see all the numbers. So all these numbers, you have them on these colors on the other side. So yeah, paint by numbers, like when we were kids. It's very good that they send you this, because I noticed that in some areas that they're very tiny, sometimes if you paint a little bit more, you can cover the number. Yeah, you don't see it again, but it's good that you have a map so you can check if you are actually doing it properly than on the painting. On this one, I noticed that when you touch a lot these numbers, like when you open it and everything, they start to fade. So what I did, it's to put them all in order, like from this order. So the first one, I put it here. The second number, I put it here. So first, second, third, and so on. So even most of them are faded, they are all in the right place. And every time that I put one out, then I put it back on the same place. So I didn't have any problem. Because obviously if you don't have the number, you don't know which color is. So yeah, I did it like that. I recommend you to do it if you see that it starts fading. And at the beginning I was worried because this is quite small. Like, you see it and it's tiny, and when you see the painting, it's quite big. So I thought, oh, I hope that I'm not going to need more or anything. But in most of them I still have like half or more. I haven't finished even one, as you can see, still quite full, and I finished my painting. So don't worry, because you have a lot. This particular design comes with 3 brushes, the colors, the guides, and I'm going to show you the final product. I love it. I love it. I did it. As you can see, it's a wolf, and here we have a girl and some flowers. I'm so proud. I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait to frame it. Another little advice. So on this area, on the wolf, what I did to make my life easier is to leave the whiter colors for last. Why? Because obviously this is white. All this was white. So if you start to paint the whites, you can lose the guidelines, and then it's so difficult to paint around them because you cannot see the guides, and obviously because it's a white color and the underneath it's white as well, you can get a little bit lost. That's what it happened at the beginning. I went for a big white area and I was like, I'm going to have problems later finding where do I need to paint or not, because obviously you paint in white, but if on the side it's white as well, you get lost. You can get a little bit lost painting it. So what I did, it's to paint all the darker colors, and I just left the 3 paler colors for the end. So I had like just spaces to fill in with the whiter colors, and that was way easier. The wolf was like the most difficult part. This part with the girl was pretty easy. Really easy. how difficult this is going to be is going to depend on the design that you choose. This one is quite complex. There's other easier designs, but I just love wolves. So when I saw it, I was like, yeah, I love this one. I will leave in the description box the shop that I use. It was quite good, like the quality of the painting, it was very good, because I saw some of the paintings that the quality of the paint is a little bit, it's kind of like very watery, but this one was really, really good. Also the shipping was really fast, so yeah, I'm happy with it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you my latest DIY project. After this one, I'm also doing a diamond painting, so subscribe if you want to see what diamond painting I'm doing. I think you are going to like it because it's very, very colorful. If you have any questions, please drop a comment and I will try and help you. And also let me know if you have done any paint by numbers and how did it well. And yeah, as always, have a lovely day and see you in the next video.